and today we are at the Lenovo booth at MWC and we have the Lenovo Vibe K5 Plus with us. Company has announced Vibe K5 and Vibe K5 Plus. The differences between these two devices is in terms of display. K5 Plus comes with a full HD display, whereas you get an HD display in K5, and K5 Plus has Snapdragon 616 as compared to 415 present on Vibe K5. So talking about the design and build quality, at the front you get a 5 megapixel front facing camera, then you have a 5-inch full HD display on K5 Plus and 5-inch HD display on K5. Then you have 3 usual Android touch buttons, as you can see. Moving on to the back, on the back you get a 13 megapixel shooter along with an LED flash, Lenovo branding and metallic finish. It comes with a removable back panel and has 2 speakers at the bottom, as you can see, supported by Dolby Atmos sound. Once you remove the back panel, you'll find that it comes with 2750 mAh battery, 2 SIM card slots, both supports 4G and a micro SD card slot. On the right side, you get a volume rocker along with a power key. At the bottom, you don't have any kind of ports or buttons. On the top, you have a 3.5mm audio jack and a micro USB port. Overall, in terms of looks and design and build quality, the smartphone looks good. It has a good design and the build quality is also nice. It is slightly slippery due to metallic construction, but it will be a mid-range smartphone and the build quality is good because it's a metal smartphone. Moving on to the hardware and the software part. The smartphone is powered by a Snapdragon 616 or 415 depending upon the model you choose, K5 Plus or K5. It runs with 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of internal storage. If we talk about the Android version, you get Android 5.1.1 on the smartphone, which is slightly outdated right now because companies are announcing devices with Marshmallow, and a custom UI is there on top, which is known as Vibe UI. You do get few preloaded applications on the smartphone like Theme Center, Share It, etc., and few applications from Lenovo. Moving on to the camera application. The smartphone comes with a 5 megapixel front and a 13 megapixel back camera. The camera interface is minimalistic in nature. You do get few modes on the smartphone. Let me just show you. So you have panorama and effects present on the smartphone. So let me just show you sample images captured using the front and the back camera. So the front camera does a decent job. It's not a very impressive front facing camera. As you can see, the image quality is decent. Not the best we have seen in this price segment. The back camera is also decent in nature. It's not the best again. Once you zoom in, you'll see that there is some kind of noise and blurriness in these images. The color reproduction, however, is good. Both the smartphones will come with a 2750 mAh battery and they will be available soon. The price tag for Lenovo Vibe K5 is $129 and for Vibe K5 Plus is $149. Overall, these are pretty decent smartphones. They have a metallic construction. K5 Plus offers you full HD display and a powerful Snapdragon 616 processor, which is an advantage. Also, this gives you Dolby surround sound using 2 speakers present on the back. So that's all about our hands-on overview and our first impressions about Lenovo Vibe K5 and Lenovo Vibe K5 Plus. If you have any questions, do let us know by commenting below.